Today I am going to teach 2022 question paper, paper 1. I have already explained 1 to 15 questions. Now today we are going to see from 16th question. Another 15 question I am going to teach. 16th one, order and command are used in dash types of sentences. First one, assertive, B, negative, C, imperative, D, exclamatory. Now assertive. Assertive is also known as declarative sentence. It expresses a fact, opinion, or idea. It is also known as declarative sentence. Next one, negative. Negative is a statement says that something is not true, or something does not exist. Imperative. Imperative sentence is order and command. Imperative sentence is order and command. And now exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences expresses strong emotions like joy, excitement, surprise, or anger. Now I have clearly explained all the sentences. Now you can find out which was answer. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is the order and command are used in imperative types of sentences. Answer option C is answer. 17th question. A teacher wants to improve the pronunciation of his students in the class. Which activity will help him? Options are silent reading, read aloud, C, peer reading, D, parallel reading. If the student reads silently, she can't help for the student. So this is wrong. And read aloud. Read aloud is the correct answer. If the student reads aloud only, the teacher can help to improve the pronunciation. This activity is the correct activity. Peer reading. Peer means what? Same age. Okay. Now, when two or more students takes a turn to read a text together, that provide mutual understanding, mutual support to improve the reading fluency. So, they will get that feedback also immediately. Next one, parallel reading. Parallel reading means they read more than one book simultaneously. That is parallel reading. Okay, now answer is read aloud. Okay, 18th one, a figure of speech that directly compares two things with words such as like and as is called as. I told you simile, comparison. Two things comparing will come as and like. Simile means metaphor, comparison without like, as. Now personification. Personification is a figure of speech that attributes human qualities actions, emotions, or emotions, I can write, or emotions, to inanimate objects, inanimate objects to inanimate objects, animal or idea. Personification means that attributes human qualities, actions, emotions to inanimate objects, animals or idea. Now oxymoron. Oxymoron means placing two opposite words. Placing two opposite words together. Placing two opposite words together. Last question paper also I have explained clearly about figure of speech. So now also I have given the definitions also. Here now also I have given definitions. So this one will come at least 3 questions is coming. So you can attend easily. Next one, see here, simile. Simile is the correct answer because you see here I told you like as comes simile. Comparison, but like as should come. Or metaphor is only comparison. Now option A is answer. Question number 19. Which word does not start with a vowel? Does not start with a vowel. Vowel sound. Okay, first one, honest man. B, university. C, Indian. D, MLA. Now you see, in honest, H is silent. H is silent. So, honest only. O-N-I-S-T. Honest. This is vowel sound. Now here you see university. U. University. So consonant sound. This is consonant sound. And next Indian. 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 So this is vowel sound. MLA. M-L-A. MLA. MLA. This is also vowel sound. So now which one is answer here? Which word does not start with a vowel sound? Then B. Option B is the answer. 20th question. Find the appropriate verb form. Verb form. I have explained all the tenses in my channel. So I will share the link in description box. So if you follow that, it will be easy to get pass mark in TET exam, or otherwise you can speak English very well, or you can write English very well if you follow the tenses video. Okay. Now we will see school dash at 9 in the morning. First one is commencing. B commenced. C commences. D will be commencing. Now you see is commencing is present continuous. Present continuous. Why I am saying present continuous? Is ing comes present continuous. This one past tense. Commenced is past tense. Commences is present tense. Present tense only used for habitual, scheduled, or generally true statement. True statement. Okay, next one will be commencing is future continuous. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense will be commencing. Future continuous tense. Now you see present tense only used for habitual, scheduled and generally true statements. Now you see here, our school dash at 9 in the morning. Then this is the true statement. Daily, usually, school will start at 9 o'clock. So this is only correct answer. C, option C is the correct answer. Commences. Question number 21. Find the synonyms of the word woes. Noisy factories, sad tales, strong enemies, group of sailors. Now, woes meaning is, synonyms meaning. Meaning is sadness, unhappiness, or otherwise grief. So now you can find out from these options. Sad tales. Sadness, unhappiness, grief, sorrow. Meaning is, so answer is sad tales, B. Now 22, question number 22. Rani hems her new skirt. Hems here is, we'll use in the tailoring work, okay, hemming. The synonym of the underlined word is, for this we have to find out the meaning, okay. Options are folds and sews the edge, and tears and patches the edge, fold the edge. D is tears the edge. Now meaning is to fold and sew the edge of a piece of a cloth. The meaning is A. Option A is correct answer. 23rd question. The relevant meaning of the phrase. What is meant by phrase? A group of words that are used together. This phrase. Quite like a mule is dash. Option A refers to someone who is lazy. B refers to someone who is glum. C refers to someone who is dull. D refers to someone who is silent. Here meaning is someone is completely silent and not responding even when he is expected to talk. Now option D is the correct answer. Refers to someone who is silent. Question number 24. There isn't much traffic on Sunday. The underlined word is, options are determiner, B qualifier, C modifier, D head word. First we will see what is much first. Much is often used in questions and negative sentence. In questions and negative sentences. Before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns. Now you see first sentence, there isn't. Much is often used in questions and negative sentences. You can see here negative sentences is here. Okay. And before uncountable nouns. Traffic is uncountable noun. Traffic is a uncountable noun. Okay, now we will see the determiners. Determiners are used before the nouns. You see here what I told, only one line I am saying now. Determiners are used before the nouns. Before the nouns. This is the determiner now. Determiners are used before the nouns to clarify what the noun refers to. What the noun refers to. I told you first, this one is determiner now. Traffic is a uncountable noun. Determiners are used before the nouns. This is uncountable noun. Before uncountable noun, we'll use determiners. Much is determiner. Okay. Now answer is determiner A. 25th question. Find the eponymous word origin for asker. Options are Roman, Mars, United States, D. Sandwich Island. Now what is eponymous? Eponymous is a name derived from a person, place or thing. Now Oscar is a commonly known nickname for the Academy Award, which is famous in American Film Award. Now it is originated, the nickname Oscar is originated in the United States. Now the answer is option C, United States. Question number 26. The plural form of the word algae is dash. A. Algum, algus B, C. Algae, D. Algae. Now I have explained plural form in my video and I'll share the link in the description box. I have explained very clearly and I have given tips also for this video. Now for this algae is algae. A comes, E we have to write like this tips I have given. Now datum means UM comes A. Then the answer will be data. UM comes A. Like that. Focus. US comes I. Foci. Tooth. 2 O is there. Then 2 E. Like this. Very easy I have explained for you. Tips I have given in that. So you please watch that video. Now for this answer is A comes, E we have to write. Algae. Option C is answer. Now 27th question. Write the meaning for the phrasal verb. What does mean phrasal verb? Is a verb and an adverb or preposition creates a new meaning. Combination of a verb and an adverb or preposition that creates a new meaning, often different from general verb. Okay, that is phrasal verb. Now we have to say the meaning for this. Call on somebody. Now options are call a person in phone, B. call somebody directly, C. visit somebody to attend a phone call. Okay, now what is mean by call on somebody? We can say ask someone to do something, or otherwise we can say to visit someone. That is the meaning for call on somebody. So option is C, visit somebody. Next one, 28 one. Name the tool we use for making a sculpture. A. roll pin, B. mold, C. chisel, D. palette. Now for sculpture, making sculpture, chisel is the correct answer. 29th question. To test the electrical things, we use dash. We will use tester. Okay, now we'll see the options. A. plier, B. screwdriver, C. multimeter, D. spanner. Here option is C is correct answer. Multimeter. 30th question. Find out the antonym. Antonym means opposite of the word reverence. Reverence meaning is respect. Opposite is disrespect. We'll see the option. A. admiration, B. respect, C. scorn, D. appreciation. Here meaning is I do respect. Opposite disrespect. Scorn is the correct option. C. Answer is scorn. Thank you.